Hey guys, we received this SABRENT Store Rocket RGB USB-C 20 Gbps M.2 SATA NVMe SSD Enclosure for test and try. So this comes in a really nice box. So let me just open this up. So what's the use? So this enclosure is useful like if you have a SSD. So you can put this SSD in this enclosure and then you can use it as a portable external SSD. So this can make our internal SSD to external SSD with it enclosure. So this is all the manual and thing, and this is the main enclosure. Really nice metal quality, as you can see, with the screws and the USB-C connection. The screws and other, the tools are provided. So this is the nice USB drive to the data transfer. So this is the M2 SATA with 6 Gbps and M2 PCI NVMe with a 20 Gbps speed, and the data transfer thing with a Type C speed, it is much more better. And you can see the both is a Type C. So one goes in the enclosure and one goes to the laptop or anywhere you want to use. This is the screwdriver that comes with it, and that you can open this back to put in your internal SSD. So this is the M2 SATA, so it's just size specific, and you need that particular SSD drive to get into it. So you can use any size data drive here, and let me just open up this screws and then show it to you. So they have the tight connection first, and then you can see inside the SATA will come here, the internal SSD, and then one is goes from the side goes here, and then just lock it. Just put in this cover case, and then after putting in here you can just close the cover so that your SSD is protective